Okay, so now we're ready to execute this code. CD into our scripts folder, and let's just run Python 3 Avro Producer.py schema file. Let's just pass our path. All right. So, okay, everything's printed out, all of the log information from the schema registry wrapper and also the producer wrapper. So successfully loaded, initialize the schema, we register the schema for the subject, we process everything. Here I have different versions because I've been testing here before recording it, so you probably see just version 1. Kafka producer initialized with the broker, and it's now producing 3 records to the topic. So then flush the pending message, record successful delivery to topic, offset 0, offset 1, offset 2, all of the 3, all of the message were successfully delivered and flushed. If we come back here to our UI, let's just refresh. Okay, if you go into the topics, you see that this demo Avro wrapper was created. If you go to your messages, we'll see that all of our 3 messages were successfully sent, just respecting the schema. If you go to the schema registry, you see our demo Avro wrapper value, and we do have now our schema here. Probably our latest version will be different because I've been playing around, as I said, but everything seems to be working just fine, just like we've done on the simple directly with the Kafka Confluent Kafka library and its classes. Now we're successfully able to do this with our own wrapper. Okay, so now in the next section we're going to look into the consumer.